Hello, guys. Welcome to this episode of Cambis channel. Yes, Visa enables crypto withdrawals on debit cards in over 145 countries. Um, that is what I wanted to share with you in this video. But quickly, let's look at the bubbles today, crypto, and you see the leading currencies here. Tao leading with 22% and render 13. Then we have parts also here, which is 10%. Win say plus. Arbitrum pendle near. These are the cryptocurrency. So I want to share you. I want to share with you quickly this thing. But the market itself, we can see that there is some bullish trend these 2 days with Bitcoin at 43,435. Ethereum follows with 2,370 and Theta 1, BNB 309, Solana, Repo, USDC. Solana has crossed $100 and is now trading as $105. So, guys, that is it. But let's come back to our news here, which is very, very interesting news. This is kind of uh, uh, encouraging as it's like now cryptocurrency is making the way into everything is being adopted, and the mass adoption is here with us. So let me quickly read this with you. Visa enable crypto withdrawals on debit card in 145 countries. MetaMask users can now sell crypto directly to sell or send crypto directly to a Visa card, which eliminates the need to use centralized exchanges. So just like central exchanges, the BINANCE, the Coinbase, and all that. So with MetaMask is actually a Web3 wallet, that is no custodial wallet. Global payment giant Visa is doubling down on cryptocurrency adoption by enable another method to exchange crypto to fiat currencies without using a centralized exchange. So right now we have P2P, which is cryptocurrency to fiat and other means. But here we can now see that you can actually use your cryptocurrency, and then with that card, when integrated, I mean with MetaMask or any Web3 wallet, no custodial wallet, you can just transfer your cryptocurrency into fiat, that transfer to your account, your debit card, and then withdraw whatever in the world. So Visa has partnered with Web3 infrastructure provider Transact to introduce cryptocurrency withdrawals and payment through the Visa Direct solution. The firm announced on January 30th. So today, the new integration allows users to withdraw cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin directly from a wallet like MetaMask to a Visa debit card. You understand? So you draw your cryptocurrency easy. Even uh, uh, Trust Wallet is also Web3 wallet. So you can just withdraw your cryptocurrency directly to your Visa card and then cash it out everywhere in the world. So that's what they are saying. So available immediately, the integration enables one to exchange crypto to fiat and pay at 130 million merchant location where Visa is accepted. So that's it. So if you are MetaMask, you have a wallet with MetaMask and it's actually working already in your country, you can just try that, draw some crypto to your uh, Visa card and go to the nearest ATM to check it out. By enable real-time card withdrawals through Visa Direct, Transact is delivering faster, simpler, and a more connected experience for its users, making it easier to convert crypto balances into fiat. Visa Direct North America head Yanil Sa once said. So the collaboration significantly expand the number of options to convert crypto into fiat currencies and brings a big milestone in bridging the crypto and traditional financial wealth, traditional finance wealth. Transact marketing head and blah, blah, blah. So the partnership allow users from 145 countries to directly convert at least 40 cryptocurrencies. That is 40 cryptocurrencies to fiat, without relying on central exchanges. Okay. So some of the supported countries include, that is the countries, this major step towards military acceptance and use, so towards mainstream acceptance and utilization of cryptocurrencies, said, highlighting uh, a more accessible and convenient nature of the transaction enabled by the integration. According to Guanghua, the collaboration brings significant benefit to users and of the central platform and the wallet like the MetaMask, Ledger, Trust Wallet, and others. So these are the wallets, Web3 wallets that is even Binance. You have Web3 wallet now, no custodial wallet. According to MetaMask senior product manager Lorenzo Santos, the collaboration between Visa and Trust indeed enabled significant features for MetaMask users, he said. So according to Transact Gongwa, the platform is evolved in the integration as its hold licenses in multiple jurisdictions ensure that the know your customer and anti-money laundering tech is in place. All right. So one of the world's largest companies in the payments industry, Visa, has been actively exploring the use of cases of cryptocurrency. The use cases of cryptocurrencies in recent years. In 2020, already Visa made a major move into crypto by partnering with the blockchain firm Circle to support the USDC stablecoin on certain Visa card. That in 2023 rollout support for USDC payment settled on the Solana blockchain. So guys, that's exactly the news. Visa, you can now use your card. You can now use your debit card, Visa debit card, not credit card, debit card, to actually withdraw your cryptocurrencies that you have on any Web3 wallet worldwide. So that's what I want to share with you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications. Like and share the video. Thank you for watching. Peace.